Hey everyone, this is Akib Javed. Welcomes you all again on our channel. And in this video, you will learn another automation by which you can collect email attachments from your email inbox into your own WhatsApp directly and automatically. So guys, sometimes we want to collect some particular type of email attachments from our email inbox, but doing that thing manually is very difficult because we receive many mails on daily basis, and in those mails we have many attachments. So if you want to fetch out some particular attachments, this automation can be very useful and it is going to save your time as well. Let me show you. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as and when you receive an email, here we have taken the example of Gmail application to receive the emails. Okay, in place of this, you can use Outlook, Express, anything else also. So here, as and when you receive an email with a particular kind of attachment, the same attachment will be received by you on your WhatsApp along with the attachment in a message automatically. Okay. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So guys, to start setting up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And to reach here, you can use this link, pabbly.com/connect. And offer is also going on here, and I have pasted this same link in the description as well. From here, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account with just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And here you have to create a workflow to set up this automation. Just click here on this create workflow button, and now you can give a suitable or relevant name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as send email attachments on WhatsApp. Okay, right after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. On this page, guys, you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automations work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or starts the workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. That's why trigger is saying when this happens, that means when any event occurs, action will make Pabbly Connect perform any action. So it is saying do this. All right. So in this use case, the trigger would be receiving of any email with a particular kind of attachment in our email inbox, and the response towards that trigger would be to send that attachment as a message on WhatsApp. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up this trigger, and to set up the trigger, we are using email parser feature of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so with the help of email parser, we can fetch out the data from our email inbox to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see as I selected email parser, it has given us this email address, or it is called parser address. Okay, so guys, with the help of this address, we are going to forward the emails coming to our inbox to this address, and the emails will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. So we are going to use this address in the forwarding of our email inbox. Let me show you how we can forward our emails to this address. This is my Gmail application inbox. Here I'm going to click on settings icon and click on see all settings. All right. So here in this settings page, you will find this forwarding and pop IMAP option. Click on it. And here you can see this button, add a forwarding address. So click on add a forwarding address, and here in this field, you need to paste this email address that you get in your workflow. Just copy this and paste it here like this. Then click on next. And from here, when you click on proceed, let me show you here. In Pabbly Connect, you can see as I have copied this parser's address, it started showing this waiting for the email parser's response. So guys, you can see send an email. Okay. So first of all, what we are going to do, when you add a forwarding address here, it will show you a small window where it will show you to click on proceed. And when you click on proceed, a code will be delivered here that will be a verification code. Okay, and by pasting that code again here in the settings section, you will be connected with Pabbly Connect. That means you can forward the incoming emails to this inbox, and they will be automatically forwarded to that email parser address. Okay, so let me click on add a forwarding address. Let me paste the parser address again, then click on next, and here you can see the small window is here. So from here, click on proceed, and you can see a confirmation code has been sent to this address to verify permission. Okay, let's check in our workflow if we got the data, and now you can see we got the response here like this. And here you can see subject is Gmail forwarding confirmation. All right, and when you scroll down, you will find another label here which is called body text label, this one. And in the body text label, you can see the confirmation code here. This is the confirmation code. So just copy this code and go back to the settings. Okay, click on OK, and here you have to paste this code. Here you have to paste the code like this, then click on verify, and you can see our address is verified, and we have created a forwarding address here. That means here you have to click on this button now, forward a copy of incoming emails to this address. And if you want to keep a copy of that emailed in your inbox, you can select this option, keep Gmail's copy in the inbox as well. Okay, so that's how you can add a forwarding address inside your Gmail inbox. Now scroll down and click on save changes, and here you can see it started showing you are forwarding your emails to this address. Okay, now guys, we are going to recapture this email parser's response. Then what we will do, we will send a email to this inbox with an attachment. Okay, and you will see that the data will be captured here of that email along with the attachment. Okay, so that email will act as a test data for us, and with the help of that data and that attachments details, we are going to set up this automation further. Okay, so I'm opening my another email account. Okay, so this email account belongs to this person, which is me, Aqib Khan, and I am sending an email from here to this address. Okay, to Ashi Rai. Okay, and here we have added the forwarder, right? So let me recapture the parser's response. Click on yes here, and you can see started showing waiting for the response again. Now let me compile a mail from my inbox. So guys, this is the email I have typed. Here you can see in the subject I have put resume. So actually I have taken the example of a job application here, and in this job application I am applying for an open position, and here I have attached a resume. Okay, and in the subject I have put resume. So I am sending this to Ashirai. Okay, so I am clicking on send, and you can see the message has been sent here, and you can check in the inbox also, because we have saved a copy also in this email inbox. So you can see we have received this email from my side. Okay, with this subject and this attachment. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured of this email or not, and you can see the data got captured here like this. So it is saying to which email address this email is sent. So the email is sent to this email address from this person and from this email address. The subject was this, and you can see we have the attachment link of the file as well. You can see when you scroll down, you will find the body text again. In the body text, you can see the mail. Okay, and in the attachment link in the last label, you can see the link of the attachment that I have attached in my email. Okay, so this is how we can receive the email. Now guys, I want to receive this particular type of email. That means an email in which I got a resume attached. I want to get it captured, get it collected in my WhatsApp. Okay, for that I am going to apply a filter condition first, in which I am going to tell to this workflow that send the attachments only when it contains resumes. Okay, so for that to happen, use this actions tab, and from here select filter, and here it is asking to select the label and select the filter type and put a value here. So guys, here I am going to select this label that I have received here. the header subject label. Okay, and here I'm going to apply a condition. First of all, let me select the label. Just click here and it will show you the email parser step in the drop down, and from here select the header subject label, and in the filter type makes it contains. So whenever my subject contains the word resume, then only I want the workflow to continue and send that attachment to me on WhatsApp. Okay, so the subject should contain this word, okay, resume, right? Okay, so if sometime guys people write job application also in the subject. So if you want to apply that condition also, you can use this or condition button. Click on this or condition and you can apply an or condition. That means if someone writes job application in the resume, then only we want to collect that attachment. So you can apply filter conditions like this. Select the label again, which is the subject label, and make the filter type contains, and here you can write job application as well. Okay, or let's say if we want to collect the attachments from the emails in which the subject is important as a word. Okay, so you can apply another or condition, and here select the subject label from the trigger, and here you can select contains, and here you can put the word as important. Okay, so this workflow is going to check for every email that you're getting if there is a subject with this word or this word or this word, and if the conditions met true, then the workflow will continue and you will receive the attachments. Okay, so click on save and send test request here, and you can see that it is saying condition is true because we do have received this subject in which we got this word. Okay, right, so this is how it is going to work. And after that, what we want to receive the particular email on our WhatsApp. For that to happen, just click on this plus icon, and from the section step search for WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, so guys, to use WhatsApp Cloud API, first of all you need to set up your own Cloud API setup into the developer section of Meta or Facebook. Okay, so you can watch the videos that we have pasted in the description, guys, from where you can learn how you can set up your own. So after setting up your own business cloud API for WhatsApp, you can use this feature here in this actions tab, and in the action event you have to select send template message option. Okay, then click on connect, and from here you have to select add new connection if you're making the connection of WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect for the first time. Alright, and for the first time it will ask for the permanent access token of your Cloud API, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. So guys, to find these things you can just click here, you can read enter system user generated permanent token access as explained here. So just click here on this here text and you will reach this forum page of Pabbly, and here you can watch these videos on complete WhatsApp Cloud API setup and how to generate your permanent access token. You can watch these videos. After that, you just have to follow these instructions written here with the screenshots attached to set up the Cloud API and how to use it. Okay, after that you will find out where to find these things. Let me show you how exactly we can find these things. Like here you can see I am in my Meta for developers page. Here I have created an application which is this My Connect message app, and I have already set up my Cloud API. And first they give you the temporary access tokens. So temporary tokens expires in 24 hours. So you can generate a permanent one. Alright, and here in this section, in send and receive messages section, you can see this phone number ID here. So just copy this and paste it here in this phone number ID field. Alright, go back and you will find this business account ID also here. Just copy this and paste it here like this. And after that, when you are done generating the permanent access token, you can copy and paste it here. Okay, after that click on save and you will be connected. So guys, generating the permanent access token is a one-time process. Once you get your permanent token generated, you have to keep it safe somewhere, and with the help of that only you can make the connections again. And making the connection by this process is also a one-time process, guys. Once you made the connection for the first time by this process, next time if you want to make the connection again, you can use your existing connection. you just have to click here on the select existing connection option, and from this connections list you can select any of your existing connection. Like I am choosing here WhatsApp Cloud API final that I have connected at this date and at this time. Okay, so I'm selecting this. All right, now I just have to click on save, and you can see we are getting connected again like this. And now it is asking for the templates name. So guys, let me tell you what templates are. So guys, if we need to create some standard message templates first to send messages on WhatsApp to multiple people at a time. Okay, and to create a message template, you can click here, you can see on this click here text, and you will reach this page. And here on this page you can see these are the templates I have created for various purposes. And let me show you one. So this is how a message template will look like. So guys, a message template, it is nothing but the message, a message structure predefined by us to send messages to multiple people on WhatsApp. Okay, so your message will look like this. It is a preview of our WhatsApp message. Okay, and to create such message templates, what you need to do, you just have to, let me show you, click here on this create message template button, and from here you can select the category in which you are creating the template. We have the transactional category, the marketing category, and the OTPs category. So let's say I'm selecting marketing here, and here you can give a name to your template. Here you can give you can select the language in which you want to send the messages. Okay, all right, and after that click on continue from here, from the top right corner. So after clicking on continue, you will reach this page, and here you can add a header to your message. So in the header you can put a text or media, and in media you can add an image, a video, or a document. Here in the body box you can enter the main body of your message. So let's say I am entering here hello. Okay, so and here you can add some variables in your message also. Okay, so to add a variable, just click here on this add variable field, and a variable tag or a body field will be there in your message. So guys, you need to have some variable tags or the body fields in your message so that you can change those things in a new message every time you send a message automatically. Okay, so you need to put these body fields in a strategic places, so to get these things changed dynamically as you send the new message to your user or your customer. Okay, after that you can add a footer, you can add a call to action button, and you can see the preview of your message here. Okay, after that you have to click on submit and submit your template. Right now I'm canceling this, and once you submit your template, Facebook will review your template and approve it in just few minutes, and after getting the template approved you can use it to send messages. So guys, the message template I have created for this purpose is this one, the email attachment. You can see the name of this template is email_attach, and this is the message body you can see. And in this message body you can see I have this 1 2 3 4 variable tags or the body fields, and these variable tags will be filled up in a message like this automatically. In place of first body field there will be the name of the person. In place of second body field there will be the email address from which we have received the email. In the subject we'll have the subject received. In the attachment link body field we'll add the attachments link. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. Right, so let us select first our message template from this field. So when you click on this template name field, it will show you the list of all the templates that you have. From here let me select email attachment. Okay, right, and you can see the language code and the ID got auto populated, and here it is asking for the recipient's WhatsApp number. So here you have to enter your WhatsApp number because we want to receive the message. Okay, so I'm entering my number here, and you have to put the number in this format with a country code and without any plus sign. Okay, now it is asking for the body fields values. So when we have to map the values of these body fields that we have in our template to get these things changed automatically in every new message. So in the first body field I am just going to click here, and it will show you the previous two steps, and from this first email parser step I am going to map the name of the person to from whom we have received this email. This is the name. In the second body field, we are going to map the email address of the person from whom we have received the email, the applicant's email address. Here in the subject, in the third body field, I am going to map the subject that we have received. So you'll find the subject label here. And in the fourth body field, I am going to map the attachment. And you will find the attachment links here in the last label, like this. So when you map the data like this, what will happen? Whenever you receive a new email, these labels are going to change and a fresh message will be delivered to you with the new data that you have received. Okay. Now guys, I can show you how the message will look like on WhatsApp, and I have access to my WhatsApp account. So let me show you how the message will appear. So guys, this is my WhatsApp account, and here let me click on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And you can see this is the response we have received, and we have received a new message also in our WhatsApp. You can see, let me show you. And you can see this is the message we have received. Hello Akib Khan, you have just received a new email from this person. The subject is this, the attachment link is this. Okay, so actually I have mapped the wrong name here. So here the name should be of this person, Ashirai, who have received this email. Let me map the data again. Okay, so in the first body field, you need to map the name of the person who is receiving the email. Okay, like this. Okay, and now the message will be proper. Let me click on save and send test request again. Okay, we have received another message. Now the message is correct. You can see we have received another message and it is correct. It is saying, hello Ashirai, you have just received a new email from this person. The subject is this, the attachment link is this. Okay, so this is the same attachment. I can show you. This is the same attachment that Ashirai received here in the email. Okay, and this is the same attachment that she has received in the attachment in WhatsApp. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. We are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when you are going to receive any email with the attachment and with the subjects containing these three words, the attachment will be delivered to you on your WhatsApp as a message here like this. Okay, so you can use the same workflow, guys, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.